Let us further discuss about benefits of international business to firms. Let us begin this. Benefits of international business to firms. So the points that we will be discussing in this video are prospects of higher profit, increased capacity utilization, prospects of growth, way out to intense competition in the domestic market, improved business vision and technological upgradation. Let's elaborate these points one by one. So first point is international business helps to increase the prospects for higher profits. In case of lower domestic prices, firms can earn higher profits by supplying their products in those countries where the profits are high, that is through exports. It can earn the foreign exchange also, and this will further help to increase the profits of different firms. Second point is it helps in increasing the capacity utilization of the firms. Firms can make use of their surplus production capacities by procuring orders from foreign firms. If they are not much demanded in our own country, आपकी अपनी country में अगर products की ज़्यादा demand नहीं है तो भी firms can produce more and they can sell their products where they are more demanded in such countries where their prices would be high. So this will help to increase their profits also, and that will lead to increase in capacity utilization also. Large scale production leads to economies of scale, and you are all well aware what are economies of scale. Producing more so as to reduce the per unit cost. ज़्यादा produce करने से production cost घट जाना, that is called economies of scale. So when the firms will be producing on a larger scale, this will lead to economies of scale resulting in lower production cost and improvement in per unit profit margin. Thirdly, prospects of growth. When demand in the home countries are saturated, they have reached heights, and now it is seen that no more products would be demanded in our own nation. Firms can opt for foreign market where demand is good and picking up fast, especially in developing nations. Firms can increase their growth prospects considerably by expanding into overseas market. So this is how profits could be increased, capacity could be utilized, per unit cost could be reduced, and further our own firm, our own business can grow abroad also. It is way out of intense competition in domestic market. International business helps to achieve significant growth when competition in domestic market is very intense. Highly competitive market induces many domestic firms to tap international market for their products so that they can earn the profits, more and more profits from abroad, because in our own nation the competition is very intense. Now we have the opportunity to produce the products for abroad for the other nations. It improves the business vision. For many firms, growth of international business is a part of their business policy. It's a part of their plan. It's a part of their strategic management. So companies are going international to grow. They need to grow. So therefore, for their own growth, they are moving abroad. So they are going international to grow, to become more competitive, to diversify their business and gain more and more strategic or already planned benefits. So this helps in improving the future planning, future strategies, deciding about the policies. This is called improved business vision. Nextly, technology can be upgraded. Domestic business have to produce superior quality products for exporting abroad. In order to develop your business abroad, in order to bring a fame to your business abroad, it is necessary that you produce the products of superior quality abroad. So business thus have to upgrade or introduce new technology to produce such goods. So I hope students that you are clear with the concept of benefits of international business. In the previous video we learnt about the benefits to different countries, and in this video we learnt about the benefits to firms. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you all.